In this video, I'll show you how to link PayPal to your Payoneer account. Before we start, it's important to understand that PayPal and Payoneer do not always connect directly for every user or country. In many cases, the method depends on whether PayPal accepts your Payoneer receiving account details as a bank account. Availability can vary, so the options you see may be different. First, log into your Payoneer account using the official Payoneer website or mobile app. From the dashboard, go to Get Paid, Receive, or Receiving Accounts. Open your receiving account details, usually for US dollars if you are trying to link a US bank account to PayPal. Payoneer may show details such as the bank name, account holder name, routing number, and account type. Copy these details carefully. Make sure the name on your Payoneer account matches the name on your PayPal account because mismatched names may cause the bank link to fail. Next, open PayPal and log in to your account. Go to Wallet, then choose Link a Bank or Add a Bank Account. If PayPal asks for the bank country, choose the country that matches the receiving account details shown in Payoneer. Now enter the bank information from Payoneer. Add the routing number, account type, and any other details PayPal asks for. Review the information carefully before submitting. PayPal may try to confirm the bank account using small deposits. If this happens, wait for the small test amounts to appear in your Payoneer account activity. Once they arrive, return to PayPal and enter the exact amounts to verify the bank account. If PayPal does not accept the Payoneer bank details, or if the verification deposits do not arrive, then linking may not be supported for your account. In that case, you can try another withdrawal method, such as linking a regular bank account to PayPal, withdrawing from PayPal to that bank, and then using Payoneer separately for supported business payments. Also, remember that Payoneer receiving accounts are usually meant for receiving approved business payments from companies and marketplaces. They may not support every type of transfer from every platform. Always check Payoneer's receiving account rules before using the details. For safety, never share your PayPal password, Payoneer password, or security codes with anyone. Only enter bank details on the official PayPal website or app. That's how to link PayPal to your Payoneer account, if the option is supported for you. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.